Lost in the jungle again. That's typical thing in Thailand. Bananas worth of 20 baht on the road here in Thailand. 4 Danish crowns.
That is the well, huh? It's water coming up, isn't it?
Lost in the jungle again. That's typical thing in Thailand.
Oh my god, there's spiders. Oh. I'm good, but it's good that we don't have Wikipedia, because very soon we'll try to find out if there are dangerous spiders here. It's better not to know. Okay, let's take them.
So I'm here with Lars from Sweden. He's like a yoga master, and we went for a short trail run here at the Sticky Waterfalls. Let's go here. And yeah, what happened? We got lost.
So we've been out in the jungle and fighting spiders and other animals that we couldn't see, but probably a lot. Yeah, we are here now though, so we're happy.
Any recommendations?
The recommendation is that maybe I wouldn't generalize, but I will anyways. Don't trail run in Thailand.
Yeah, the point is that you may go on there's a map where you can see that this is a yellow trail, but there are very limited signs of that trail. So
yeah.
you just go left, go right, and yeah, then suddenly you're just end of trail.
And yeah, there's nothing there anymore. And it dissipates quite slowly actually. So you won't notice when it's not there anymore. You're just lost suddenly. Yeah, that's how I experienced it.
Good one. Thank you for your help. I would have turned back long time before if I wasn't been lost. So this is running in Thailand with the crazy Swede. Good. Whew. What a day. The air in Thailand in nature is amazing.